Hi, back again. We start. So today we make here this little house. It's a very little house, but it must be built. It's over our house that we done last time there. Good. So we start. Add mesh cube. Scale down. Scale X. Bring it in front. Edit mode. Control R. Make a loop in. Take the right top face. Extrude. That all in all is too high here. So background selection, bird selection, border selection, and bring it to the same height. Good. But I think that must be a little bit deeper here. Yep. Then we make here a middle loop in, so Control R, make here this middle loop. Then we have to place that out to the half of that. Okay. Then we have to bring that out. So we have that. And that is our base mesh. Bring it to the side, Shift D, secure copy, file, save. So the holes that we made there are only the windows and the doors, surely. So we make the windows, add mesh cube, scale down, scale set, and Shift D 2 times. Then the same we make down under, so Shift D again for the other windows, and we take one for the door, Shift D, scale that up, scale that X, that should be the door. Good, that we should place in on and to the model. So we have to join that together, give them other color, so material new, difference we give them red. So here we make the same, we color one and the other in other color, so new white, that's okay, so we give them here white. So we can now place it there to cut that in. We see that's all too big, so we simply scale that down. And look what we got there. We go here a little bit near. And that one should be white, so plus, and give them the white material. L to select them, assign to give them the colors. So we see that should be crater. It's nearly to the middle, but okay. And then there's a turtle there, so that must be bigger. That can be it. Then the same we make with the down part there. But I think their X, we delete them and simply take them for that 2. So Shift D and place him near under that stage. And the door should be near to the edge of the house. and these windows are near to the side, so we must look how that fits in real. Think there is not much space over the door, or there is much space over the door. Okay, so that is, yeah, it's a mystery door, but okay, it's like it is. So we have that. I think that can work. But they are too big. I must get them a little bit smaller, and them too. Good. So we have that. So we have to apply the rotation scale of this cutting object and of the house too. So apply rotation scale. Then Shift D will make a copy of the stencil there. Good. Then the name is cube 3, so we bring that into and go to the house, take the boolean modifier, say cube 3, the operation should be the difference, and apply. So we have the holes in, we can put that all, move. Oh, I can need one of them that were super good. Oh, it's good. We move that all to the second layer, so M and second layer. Good. So we make a copy of that, Shift D, file, save, and we need the front entrance. So we have to build them, and here a little window, and that are all holes. So add mesh cube, we give them the red color, and it should be great but not that great, so scale Y and scale Z. It is a long one because the house itself isn't that high. You see it here, there is a distance that is not that much, so I think that can be it. Good, then the little window should be there, so edit mode, Shift D, scale, scale set, it should be the white material, so we give them new plus and the white material sign. So we have that there, and we must look, it is a stretched one, not a cube, so we can give them here a little bit more. Yeah, that can work. So we plug that into, the one is into, so edit mode and take the second one and bring them more there. Good. So we have to apply again the rotation scale of the cutter, and of the main object apply rotation scale to. The name is cube 5, so we go to our house, take the boolean, take cube 5, say the operation is difference, and that should be it. Yes, it is cut it in, so we can move all other to another layer. File, save as, new version number, save. Good. So we have the holes in. Now comes this whole stripes that we have there. and you see the roof stands a little bit out of that, so we can try that. I take here the background out, then I will cut from here to here, so knife from that point till that point. Wow, the window is too high. So with background selection, word selection, I take the window and bring them more down. Maybe scale them a little. And then I go back, disable background scene, and knife from there to there, spacebar to accept. And then we only need here to scale that up, so we have that here and that here. Extrude scale, so we have automatically that. We can go here down. Good. Then extrude to the X, and then we have that, but we don't want to extrude that, so we go back. We want to extrude that here, so I extrude, bring it in front. Same we do here, so we take here knife, go from that edge to that edge, spacebar to accept, take this both faces, extrude scale, take nearly the same distance as there, bring it down to, take this both faces, extrude, and bring it to the X. That is the base. Good. File, save. Now, yeah, as I told you, we need now that green stripes there. So we count here. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, that's much for that little space there. Good, so we will see. Add mesh cube, scale down to the size of that between the windows. And scale set. That should be our first part there. I think that is very big. It should be that small, I think. Scale set. Yep. So the windows itself must be changed. So with background selection, I take that one. Right, here is some selected width, so we have to deselect. And then we bring that near to. And same as here, border selection, and bring that near to. Good. So we have now to bring that all over. Only the side parts are a little bit bigger. So Shift D, place one here on the left side, Shift D, one on the right side, Shift D, one on the edge. That can be scaled a little bit bigger. Scale set then. Plug it a little bit into. Shift D, place it on the other side too, and then take that once, Shift D 2 times, I think that is enough. So that it looks similar. So Shift D, Shift D, that can be it. Then we have a downsizer and there one. Okay, so that one and a big one there. So we take the big ones, Shift D, rotate Y 90 and bring them here down under and scale a little bit. Scale X, bring it to fit with. Good. And it has stages there in, so that means that we have to place there 2 loops, and then we simply plug out them. I must look at this from down to top, or from top to down, from top to down. Okay, so that means we take the under 2 and extrude them there. Then we take the last one and extrude it 1 time there. So we have that stage effect there, and bring that back. Good. So the stage effect is there. We need that down under the window there. So we take a small one, Shift D, rotate Y 90, bring it down under the window, and scale X. Good. That is the side part. You don't see it, but there is a green on the top also. So Shift D, place it there. Good. That is the one side. File, save. Then for the downside, that is a toilet house, so that we make next time. But that comes here to this whole part, so we make here nothing. Here you see there is to do nothing. There's a wall, and that was it. So we only have to make this small part here. And that means we have to simply bring one around. So Shift D, around the door. We need now another color to see that right, so we give them here a red one. This one on the side there, Shift D, one on the side there, Shift D, rotate Y 90 to the top, and scale X. Good. Then here with the windows is the same. I think we have there 2 big ones. Shift D, and we see that is too big there between. That means we take the house and set the windows to our place. So background selection, grid selection, border selection, and only the window, and simply bring them a little bit near too, and the other one too. Good. That one can be a little bit more there. Good. Then we need it only around the window and the stuff, but in this case we take it also for the down part, but only for the half, because then comes the stone. So that means we take here this part and bring it here to the half. Then Shift D, place one here on the side and make that shorter. Then Shift D, bring it to the other side and Shift D, rotate Y 90 and bring it down under the window and scale a little in the X. Good. So when we look correctly, there are some stripes over them, over the door too. So Shift D, we place them simply in. Wow, that was bad. So Shift D there, and maybe here on the edge one, but then that will make longer. So as I said before, here you don't see anything because they made here over all his selling stuff there, so we can't make their sub, but we can give them here a half for the wall that is built there in real. So Control R, make here a loop, I think on that high, the same high as we take there for the wall. Control R, don't work here because we have cutted that with the boolean. So we have to take here a knife and go from there to there and spacebar to accept. Now we have that stone socket there. Okay, we have done that. File, save. So here we need not to do some, and on the other side we see that there are only stripes from top to down in all stages, and that is all. So we simply can take here this stuff and Shift D, simply copy that and bring it to the other side, and then bring that Shift D simply down so that we have one on the bottom too, and then the down part too. But as you see here is the same, there is the wall stuff there and short behind the first part there. So that means we can take here this Shift D and bring it down under, but in color red for all the three. Good. We see we must scale that a little to reach that stage high there, and Shift D one on the side. That is good. Shift D, place it to the other side too, and here we take that both, that is enough. Scale set to bring it fit with the reference. So we said here comes the wall in this high, so we have to do there a higher up. So C, with background selection, it's important, and bring it here to maybe that. Then we do that with all. and they can be longer. That's not a problem. Then we make here loop in to bring here this stone part in. Same here with the front. I don't know that works because that is cut by boolean. That is the problem with the boolean. Yeah, you destroy the whole topology and can't loop most times. So only there is a knife to cut. Oh, I must cut it there. Shit. So spacebar, search, edge slide, and then wow, I have selected too much. So I go simply back. That's too shitty there. So we take here knife and then go from there to there, cut with space is accept that, and from here to there, spacebar. Good. So we have that. That is all wall later. Yeah, that is the normal thing that we've seen there. File save as version number 3. So only the front must be done now. And you see it here, it's simply the same around the windows, around the door. So we best take here one of the little ones, Shift D, and bring it on the door. Scale set. Yeah, it looks a little bit small, but when you look at the original, it's real. So Shift D. There's France. They make it as this. Rotate X 90. And bring it over the door. Scale Y. Good. And then Shift D. Replace one on the window there, but it must be white, so plus and white and the sign. Good. So bring it near in, scale Y, scale Y, Shift D, place it down under 2, and Shift D, but rotate X 90 degrees, and bring it here on the side. Shift D, place it on that side too. Good, we have done that. File save, but I think at the front there's one here between, and then here in the middle one, and here between. Okay, so I have to Shift D, place here a bigger one, scale Y, scale Y. So we have that. Then Shift D, rotate X 90, and bring it here in the middle, and take the down part, so with background selection, width selection, okay, circle selection, and bring that up to, good, that is the middle one. And then I think there was beside them, must look from front here, a little one, a little one, a big one, a big one. Okay, good. So Shift D, place it there, rotate X. So we have that little one. Now we want to make that shorter and that. There we must take here the normal axis. So axis, normal, and now you see we can scale it in the set. So we have the best way to change that. So Shift D will make another one, but that should be longer. So scale set, scale set. When you press a double, then it goes with that normal axis. So we take them both, Shift D, go back to global axis, put them there, join them together, object, mirror, interactive mirror, and turn them. Before we can turn them, we have to object, apply, rotation scale, then object, mirror, interactive mirror. Now we can move it correctly, and it's done. So we have that thing there too. File, save. Now only the front, I think. Yeah, there is the same with the stripes, and there are stripes. Okay, so all the same. We simply take that one, Shift D, bring it here in front, give them a red material, so we can make that a little bit shorter. Then Shift D, rotate X 90, bring it here to the middle, make it shorter, but we can go here into Shift D, place one there, and Shift D, place one there, and then simply make them shorter. So we have that. I think that we don't need, because there are these shop things. Yeah, that's correct. And we see there is a socket each time for where is the wall. What's that here? Much long. Much long. Good. So here need to be the socket there where the stone comes later. So we bring that till the end, and here we make one, but you know there comes this board later, so not that important. Then the same we need to do here, so Shift D, simply bring that down and bring one here to the side, and Shift D one to the other side. Same here. Shift D, rotate set 90, and only needs here because the rest is completely stone. So scale X and bring it a little up here. Good. File, save. So we have modeled the house itself, and next time we do then the texturing. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.